Test Automation Engineer version 2.0, question number 4. When a system is designed for testability, one of the characteristics is that the test automation framework can access interfaces to perform actions on the system. What is this characteristic called? Observability, controllability, maintainability, interoperability. First, let's look into the syllabus, what syllabus says about testability. And here we have designing for testability of a system under test consists of following aspects: observability, controllability, and architecture transparency. So as you can see, observability and controllability are two main traits of testable system. And architecture transparency, so we can analyze architecture and find interfaces. And going back to the question, observability and controllability and maintainability, interoperability are not parts of testability, so answers C and D are wrong. And as you can imagine, observability means we can observe the system. We can, in test automation, we can get answers of the system and we can analyze these answers. For example, if you have web page and you have, for example, controls on the web page, you can get data from these controls. For example, if it's enabled or disabled, this is observability. And controllability means we can put some data or can change state of a system under test or some GUI controls, or we can make requests to API of system under test. So observability means we can observe the system under test through test automation, and controllability means we can control system under test through test automation. So here in this question we can access interface. Okay, observability requires access to the interface and controllability also requires access to the interface. But what for? To perform actions on the system. So if you want to perform actions on the system, it's controllability. So for these questions, answer B is the right answer.